I absolutely love YouTube videos that don't ramble on and instead jump right into the point, which is the following. Most likely your 5 amp fuse is tripped. If so, go out and buy one for cheap and replace it. Now, if you want to see how I replaced mine, go ahead and watch the rest of this video, and I hope these details can be replicated by you. Alrighty, this may or may not work, but if it does work, hopefully I just saved you $150 and not having a technician come out and fix something that you could fix for literally $1.19 from your local hardware store. Now, first of all, you might be getting an error flashing up on your little motherboard that's similar to this that you see right there. And if so, go ahead and turn off your breaker so that it is now completely dead and there's no power going to your panel right here in your furnace. And all right, so if you were to take out this little blade right here, that fuse, and you look very, very, very carefully, you see right in the middle, there's kind of a little black spot. It's right in between. It's kind of hard to tell. And if you look at it from this perspective, looking down, you can kind of tell that it's broken. It has been blown. So now you can really kind of see that pronounced black spot right in the middle right there. So odds are there might be a short in your system, or maybe it was just a temporary short. For example, we just had some painters outside and they were painting some conduit piping. I don't know how they could bump and jostle something to cause some kind of short, but you know what? Let's go ahead and put our $1.19 fuse in, and this is the same thing. This is 5 amp. See, it kind of says 5 right on the back right there. And go ahead and slide it on in. Once you have your fuse snugly in, go ahead and switch the power back on. You'll notice that the first error code is gone. However, what remains is the 1DL, which is actually IDL. It stands for idle, and that just means that it's taken a minute or two for your system to boot back on up. Just make sure that that fuse is not tripped, and you can determine whether or not it's working by going back up to your thermostat to see if it's still operable and working. And now it's powered on. I actually took this opportunity to upgrade from my Ecobee to my Nest, and hopefully this less than 2.5 minute video just saved you a whole bunch of heartache and a couple $100 having a technician out.